Hello, my little two. Welcome back. Today we are going to start with lesson 3 in Unit 1, creating and processing the sound files. When you need to create a sound, we use a program called Audacity. This program creates the sound and can process on it. Why we need to create a sound or make some process on the sound file? Because we need to put it in the website. Okay, so let's start to see some setup. First stage, we prepare and process the sound file. How? By install the creation program. Okay, so we install the program on the computer and then set up the hardware like the microphone and speakers. This is the first step to prepare and process to create a sound or audio file. Okay, then second step, we download Audacity from the this link. Okay, this program is an open source program, so we can use it for free. Okay, I need from you to know about the interface of the program. This is the interface of the program, and there is a transport menu here. This is called transport menu. It contains the record button, and also we can have the stop button and the play button. Okay, we insert the audio file inside the preview space here by drag and drop, or using import tab from file tab. Okay, if after I drag the file, the audio file here, it's called like waves كده of the sound, and then we need to make some modification. The third step is modification. Let's review. First step was prepare and process. The second step was implementation, and the third step is the modification. Okay, so when I need to make some effects on my audio file, like repeat, like reverse, like echo, or you can cut or paste. Okay, so this is called modification stage. Okay, so how can I make this? From the effect menu, in the main menu at the top, you will have a lot of effects here, and you start to choose one of them. Okay, cut, paste, and like we said before, cut, paste, and delete, copy. All of this we can select area from the timeline and then cut it or copy it or paste it in another place. Okay, or you can make delete key from the keyboard. So all of this is modification. Finally, we export the file. We export the file from the file menu. From the file menu, we choose export audio, and then you select the place on the desktop, on my document, or on any place you want. Then select an extension. Okay, what is the extension? Any file has a name and extension. So any file any file has name and extension, like image dot jpg. Okay, so you have here a file name called image and the extension is jpg. It's a picture extension. Okay, but audio, what is the extension of the audio? We have a lot of extensions for the audio, but the most common is the MP3 and WAV. Okay, we use MP3 if we need to build websites, because it's low size and it's a good quality, not bad, suitable to publish on the internet. But the WAV is large quality, and it has a large capacity, which is not suitable for the website. Okay, this is the difference between MP3 and WAV, and you must know that MP3 and WAV is for audio files. Okay, this is the end of lesson 3. I hope we have covered all the ideas, and then we will start answering the questions next video, inshallah. Good luck.